Hey everyone, good afternoon across Central Oregon on this Monday. The first week of June is starting out pretty nice. Today, temperatures we're running close to average for this time of the year under plenty of sunshine, but we do have some changes on the way. So we're going to take a quick look at your most reliable forecast, starting off with the weather headlines for this Monday, June the 2nd. Again, a beautiful first week of June. It'll be dry, sun-soaked, and by the afternoon each day, winds are going to get breezy for many of us, and that UV is cranking up as temperatures continue to climb. Look at this. Across the high desert right now, outside, we have tons of sunshine, very little cloud cover, a little bit of haze due to a prescribed burn that was just to the southwest of Bend earlier. And when it comes to the temperature change in the last 24 hours, it's a modest bump in temperatures, but warmer nevertheless, 2 to 8 degrees warmer than it was 24 hours ago. And this evening will be pleasant with a cool start by Tuesday afternoon. We're back into the mid to the upper 70s across the high desert, and satellite and radar shows no precipitation in sight. In fact, what it does show is further out over the Pacific Ocean, there's a broad ridge of high pressure that's expanded into the Pacific Northwest. This high stays with us, keeps us clear, and that sunshine helps our trend of warming continue. So Tuesday, highs in the 70s with a few 80s. By Wednesday, we're looking at 70s and some 80s. So mid to upper 70s, some of us reaching into the 80s across the high desert. But by Thursday, even warmer highs in the 80s with a few 70s. By the time we hit this weekend, we're going out of the 80s and even into the 90s. So for tonight, 40s and some 30s across Central Oregon. Tomorrow, it looks like mid to some upper 70s with a few low 80s. And some afternoon clouds are indeed expected. But look at this. We go from 70s to 80s, still no precipitation in sight, to 90s by Saturday and Sunday, even Monday, still 92 degrees. And we do get a dip in temperatures there, but lows are following the same trend, and it just looks like a whole lot of sunshine. That's the latest in weather. Join us tonight on Central Oregon Daily News while the latest headlines and the rest of your most reliable forecasts. See you then.